And then these are the tools that you can leverage, right? So first tool is called builder.io. So builder.io allows you to take Figma code, like Figma designs, and turn it to functional code. So you basically go into this tool, you just right-click, and you can basically export it, and you basically have like fully functional code. The next one is called Lovelobe, and Lovelobe allows you to prompt your design and create variations. So you can say, add a countdown timer here, remove the price, put the slash price, because we all know pricing psychology, right? This number has to be bigger, the other number has to be smaller, slash price needs to be here, the big number needs to be on the right, da-da-da. Like whatever you want to prompt it, you prompt it. And basically, you can have multiple variations. So these are the two tools if you want to plug them together. It's called builder.ai and Lovelobe. The next one is copywriting. So I know all of y'all use ChatGPT for copywriting. I know it's kind of known. But how can you take that to the next level? So why is copywriting so important? Copywriting is important because 90% of what we do is copywriting. Everything requires copy. Your page, your sales page, your VSL, your webinar, all of that stuff is copy. So how do we make copy so good that it's if you think about AI, right, it's all about the input. So how do we give it such good input that the copy output is so good? How many of y'all use ChatGPT and you get the output and you're like, this sucks? Like, how many of y'all? Like, honestly, all the time I look at it, I'm like, this sucks. Like, why is it so bad? Like, where do they learn copy from? So how do we plug in better input? Because that's our job, so we have better output. So again, we tested this, right? Because I was like, I think AI copy sucks, and maybe my copywriter is better, and they can write better copy because they're more creative. So, so we tested this, and what we found is that the AI copy actually performed better than a human-written copy. So I want to get that out of the way, that AI copy doesn't perform. It's just like, how do you input it better? So this is what we created. So we created a super smart agent that can write copy for our media buyers. So you can ask it anything. You can ask it like, I need a couple of headlines to test. I need captions for this. I need to write a VSL script. I need a webinar, da-da-da. This is I want to create 2 variations, one with this, one with that. Like, it gets all of the lingo, and it can churn out anything you need. And the way it's done is that it pulls data from your Meta, your Google, everything. It pulls all the data, so it actually has the real campaign data. And it's trained on all our DNAs and processes, so it understands what works for us, what has worked for us in the past, what is working right now. And then based on that, all that intel, it spits out the copy. But then it has a feedback loop so that when the copy is being tested, the data is sent back. And because it's sent back, it gets even smarter.